Hi, this is J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Services. If you're new to my YouTube channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. That way you'll be able to stay up to date each time I post new travel videos. I tend to post at least 3 to 4 videos a week. And if you hit the bell, you'll also get a special notification each time I post as well. In this video, we're taking a look at Rainbow Beach. It's one of the beaches that is located in St. Croix. This was a beach that I went to after cruising on the Celebrity Equinox. It was a pretty cool beach because it was maybe about a 5 to 7 minute ride from the cruise port. And there were actual water sports there that you can actually do. So at Rainbow Beach, there's a restaurant there. And there's also West End water sports where you can rent things like jet skis, paddle boards, kayaks, flyboards, snorkel gear, and they also do chair and umbrella rentals. At Rainbow Beach, it was actually my first time jet skiing, which you'll see a little short clip of that at the end of this video. I did have my own snorkel equipment with me while I was cruising, but there wasn't much to see as far as a marine life or any coral reefs while snorkeling right there at Rainbow Beach. But it was a very relaxing time. It was really nice to go out and to jet ski for the first time. They provided me with a short lesson on jet skiing and went over the safety precautions with me to make sure I was very comfortable before I just went out. If you have any questions about St. Croix or Rainbow Beach, please leave me a comment down below or check the description. My email address is there, and you can contact me on social media, as well as my travel agent website is there as well. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.